How to enable or disable auto restart when needed on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. From here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on Device Care. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Auto Optimization. Next, we scroll down and tap on Auto Restart. Here, tap on Restart when needed. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And so that your phone will restart automatically when performance issues are detected. So you need to unlock your phone before you can receive notifications and alarms from some apps and see the name of incoming callers after you restart the phone. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.